Day number 23, 30-day crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. We're going to add it into Captain's spreadsheet. I still need to update this spreadsheet. I'm still working on it, so hopefully I'll have it done in a couple of days. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you, Hector, for putting this together. I'm still going through the Captain's spreadsheet, the new one here on the crypto.com one here. It looks beautiful. And also, I'm looking forward to finishing the challenge and going to a new challenge. Thank you for being with me. Who's with me? Put it in the comment line. Now, we're in day number 23, and we're going to go ahead and look at the price of crypto.com. Is it buying potential right now? But you know what? The thing about this is, someone asked me, like, why are you doing this? The main reason I'm doing this because I want to go ahead and do something consistently. And I know everybody's not going to buy it every day. And I know some people may not, but just want to encourage people when you hold, when you buy, and teaching you how to track your progress. It's a bunch of reasons why I'm doing this. So that's why. And right now I'm in COINBASE.com. What I'm going to do here, I am going to convert some Ethereum over to crypto.com. I have some Ethereum there. So I'm going to go and convert about, let's go $200. Now let me go and see if I did a $200 purchase before, way back here. So we have done it before, so I'm going to use that there. And I'm just going to take advantage because it's down. You know what? I think we got a little bit more. Let's do 300. Let's do $300. Let me see if we done a $300 one. And I haven't seen one. So, okay, I'm going to do it anyway. $300. We're going to go ahead and preview the buy here. So we're going to get $300. We're going to swap. Ooh, look at that. 537 crypto.com tokens. And we're going to put it right here. And we'll have 4571. So we surpassed our goal. Our goal was 4,000. It looks like we're going to get at least 5,000. At least there. It looks like that. We're going to get at least 5,000. So that is amazing. So let me go ahead and add this up here. And what we're going to do, we're going to follow this format here. So $500, we're just going to say 190. I mean, 292 and $8. And because it doesn't show the fee here. It doesn't show the fees here. It doesn't show it. So we're just going to call it that, being very close to the point. So we're going to move $300. This is probably one of our largest purchases since the second day of the challenge. But I really feel like it was time to probably add a little bit more, to be honest with you, because the price is the lowest, one of the lowest since we did this challenge. So I'm just taking advantage of what is going on. 55 cents, and we saw 52 cents, 55 cents. So I'm just taking advantage of the price here and an opportunity. So now we change this here to 13 as Monday, December 13th, 2021, equals that. Go to the 55 cents. And it looks like we got that there. So the average buying price is 71 cents. I can't wait to work with this one here. Thank you, Hector, for doing this. This is really good. So we'll continue this as well. Man, this is really nice and neat. I like that. And so we're going to change this to 23. So now the average buying price is 68 cents. Man, I can't wait till in the future to see what this spreadsheet looks like. It is going to be bananas. So anyway, we've got 3,000 paid, $73 in fees paid, and 3,021.58. I know if you've been doing this challenge, you may see the red here, but this is for the future. This is actually for the next few months. So this wasn't necessarily a profit right away. This is something for the future because we feel really good about crypto.com. I know negative $589.65 is not what you probably want to see, but I'm not really concerned about that because all this is definitely adding up because I see crypto.com being, man, I think this can be $10 next year. That's just my opinion. $10, yeah, I do. Not financial advice, of course, but that's what I think. It could be at least between $5 and $10, something around there. And total value of $2,500 and total paid $3,000. So we're in the books, day number 23. I'll be back on day number 24 on the 30-day crypto.com challenge. If you do not have an account for coinbase.com or even crypto.com, you can go ahead and check it out in the description box. I do have that information for you. Captain Spreadsheet is all completed, at least for the day. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for liking and commenting, subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.